Okay, now coming in here, to keep in mind, we have a 2022 unit. This is a 2025 unit. And so some of these changes they began to make between the 23 and 24, but you can really see it in this 25 as you compare. So the bedroom, one of the big changes they made was the closet, which I love because I feel like our closet is not really accessible. The space isn't used great. And so I like these changes because you can get to things a lot better. And then they put a cabinet. Whoa, these doors are sticky. There's a cabinet for the washer and dryer. Other than that, a lot of the bedrooms stayed the same. Okay, you may be asking yourself, wonder if they would buy that unit again. Yep, we would. You know, it's interesting because most of the changes they made are things that we've done in our RV too. And so we love what they've done. We'll always love this unit. And yeah, we'd probably buy it again.